Hello, let's discuss on the topic uses of microbes in the energy production or production of biogas. Biogas or gobar gas is a methane-rich combustible gas that is produced by the anaerobic breakdown of biomass with the help of methanogenic bacteria, that is methanobacterium. This methanobacterium bacteria is found in the rumen of the cattle. Biogas is produced in a biogas plant. A biogas plant consists of a concrete tank called a digester. It has a charge pit for passage of slurry into the digester, a floating gas holder made of metal, a concrete pipe that is connected to the house, and a pit for removal of sludge to be used as a manure or fertilizers. The raw materials that is used for production of this biogas are cattle dung, night soil, farm refuse, and other organic waste. Now, the biogas generation involves three stages of anaerobic digestion. In the first stage, the facultative anaerobic decomposers bring about enzymatic breakdown of the complex organic compound into simple or soluble compounds. In the second stage, the simple and soluble compounds is acted upon by the microbes that convert them into organic acids. In the third stage, the organic acids are acted upon by the methanogenic bacteria, that is methanobacterium, to produce biogas. This biogas is composed of methane and carbon dioxide. So this biogas is then, after production, it is released to the nearby house through a pipe connected to the biogas plant. This biogas can be used for cooking and lighting the house. It can also be used for running tube wells and production of electricity. Now let's discuss on the uses of microbes as biocontrol agent. What do you mean by biocontrol? Biocontrol refers to the natural method of pest and pathogen control using organisms like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and other insects, and the organisms, that is viruses, bacteria, fungi, and other insects that is involved in this natural method of controlling the pest and pathogen are called as the biocontrol agent. Under this biocontrol agent, first let's discuss on bioherbicides. Bio means living, so the living organisms that is used to control the weeds are called as bioherbicides. Let's take an example: cochineal insect. The scientific name of this cochineal insect is Cactoblastic cactorium. This cochineal insect or the Cactoblastic cactorium is used to reduce the growth of cacti. So this insect has a natural tendency to reduce the growth of cactus. So this is an example of bioherbicide. We can take another example of fungus, that is Phytophthora palmivora. This fungus, this fungus is being employed to control the growth of milkweed virus in the citrus orchid. So the living organisms are used for controlling the growth or development of another living organism. So these are the example of bioherbicides. Now let's discuss on bioinsecticide under this biocontrol agent. Bioinsecticides are those living organisms which are used or which help to control the growth or development of insect pests. Under this bioinsecticide, let's take an example of Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis is a soil bacterium, and it is introduced into the crop field to control the caterpillars of butterfly. Now the bacterium, this Bacillus thuringiensis is available in the form of spores. So when the spores of this bacterium is mixed with water and spread over the vulnerable plant, the spores produces insecticidal protein called as the cryprotein. So this cryprotein is a toxin. So this cryprotein is also called as crystalline protein, named after the nature of the protein that it occurs. This protein occurs in the form of crystalline form. So the protein is also called as crystalline protein or cryprotein. Now, once this cryprotein enters into the body of the insect, it causes swelling of the epithelial cell of the midgut and cause lysis and death of the insect. that may be larvae or adult insect. So the insect larvae or the adult insect that once ingest these bacterial spores, it killed this insect due to the toxin release in their guts. So this bacteria kill the caterpillar but leave other insect unharmed. So this is how this Bacillus thuringiensis help to control the growth of the caterpillar of the butterfly caterpillar insect. Now, this that is Bacillus thuringiensis, is the first biopesticides to be used on the commercial scale. So this is an example of bioinsecticide.